Hello and welcome to today's lecture. So as you know that today is 28th August and we have the OPSC notification for OPSC 2018. The exam is going to be held in 28th October 2018. So we just have 60 days to plan our preparation. हमको preparation करने पे मात्र 60 दिन रही okay. तेणु what will be the best way to prepare? सेटा तारी ऊपर किछि डिस्कशन करिबा. Now see, I'll divide the aspirants into two categories. Basically जो माने आगुरु prepare करछन्ती, those who have some degrees of preparation. In that case you already know what to prepare, okay, what you have already prepared. So now basically you need to give the test series and you just need to make sure that you are ready for the exam, okay. Second is those who are freshers and still would like to give the exam. In that case अपन को एते बही हरिका एते देखियो रेबे समय नहीं टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़िया पे. Okay, so if you belong to the first category, you have already finished the things. Okay, now just go and revise your notes, give the test series, etc. And if you are completely new, you take the most standard preparation abridged book, okay, that I would recommend Tata McGraw-Hill Prelims, UPSC Prelims book, GS paper 1. That is 2019 edition is already out in the market. You take that and just study it, complete the question bank which is given in that book. Okay, that would be probably you'll be, that would be the best preparation in 2 months what you can do. So, in order to help those students who are unable to come to the centers and all to take coaching, what I'll be doing is, I'll be having a 50-day course on OPSC Civil Services Prelims. Okay, so we will be basically concentrating on important topics, and every day around 2 or 3 lectures I'll be giving, and at the end of the lecture we'll also be discussing some questions related to prelims. So our focus will mainly be on prelims. Okay, the questions will be a subset of the comprehensive test series of AAROHAN classes, 55 tests that we are offering, which is starting from 2nd of September. So out of that, few questions, important questions that we will also discuss here, and it would be open, accessible to everyone. So there will be 50 lectures which will cover paper 1 mainly. Paper 2, I'll just give you the guidelines on what is to be done, because paper 2, if you are preparing for your mathematics or arithmetic, general arithmetic or reasoning, there are many videos of the SSC level which you can go through, which would help you, and decision making, and also a lot of videos you can find. So my focus basically would be on paper 1, since that is the marking paper. And from the very beginning, keep in mind, especially the general category students, that your target has to be 120 out of 200 in paper 1. Okay, because cutoffs generally will be high because of the lesser number of posts which have come out. So the cutoffs will be high. So don't think like 90, 95, 100. Okay, to be safe, even 120 may not be safe enough. Okay, so ensure that you are getting 120 at the end of the day, right? So what will be the pattern of the videos which I will be sharing with you? So first we will finish up a chapter, then some important questions from that chapter we will be discussing, the MCQs. Okay, so we start with 2 subjects, that is history and polity. I'll be starting with history and polity, and generally I'll be uploading the videos in the evening, okay, around 8 to 10 p.m. between that time, and there will be around 50 videos, so we can like 100 videos, okay, like 50 days we'll be concentrating. And regarding your current affairs, so we'll be revising from January 2018 to September 2018, because in October you're having your exam, so you can expect that till September, or your questions will be coming. Okay, so those who are preparing well, and those who are just newcomers, just ensure that you study properly, make a plan, finish up, because the questions will be pretty direct. Okay, it will be factual kind of questions, okay, in the prelims. Many people take the prelims to be too lightly, so don't be complacent. Ensure that in whatever test series you are giving, you are scoring at least 100, 120. 120 is good. Okay, 120 out of 200, your score should be around that. Okay, so best wishes, and we will be starting the course from 29th of August. Okay, 50 days we'll have a planning, and We will start with Indian polity and constitution with emphasis on the polity in Odisha, and we'll also start with history, ancient, medieval, modern, history of Odisha and related art and culture. After that we will go to economics and geography and other modules which are there, that also will be covering. Okay, so best wishes, and start preparation with a well planned schedule. Okay, don't panic. 2 months are not, it's not that it's very little time, but do not waste time from now. And most importantly, do not run after various sources. If you have already completed preparation, fine. If you are starting preparation and you want to give the exam, just take the Tata McGraw-Hill book, or for that matter any other good book which has reputation, where the questions are of a good standard. You take that book, just concentrate on that book. Hardly 60 days you're having with you, so your preparation has to be accordingly, right? Best wishes for your preparation.